Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have something very exciting. I just got in my Fab Fit Fun box for summer of 2025. So I'm excited to share what we have here. And so let's just get to it. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. So thank you for that. And let's get into this box. So this is what I got. It's a fairly big box. You know, I always order extras if you know me well. But I'm going to tell you this time, I didn't get any mystery bags. I'm so proud of myself. So let me know in the comments what you think about that, because I always do a lot of mysteries and then I kind of regret it. And anyway, so no mysteries, but I did get some extra items. So let's just look in here and see what we got. So I think the inside is so cute. So it's their 50th box, and this is the Fab Fit Summer. So anyway, celebrating their 50th box. I think that's something like 13 years, or I don't know. Anyway, so there we go. And I'm just going to open this up. Take out the fluff. Take out the little offers that they have for us in here, and we'll get started here. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to show pictures of what was available in each category, and then I'm going to show you what I got in that category. So for the first category, here's the pictures. And what I chose is two things. And the first thing, I really debated on this, but I thought it was a good buy because this is a $125 item. This is a gauze dress, and I really like the fabric. I like the feel of it. So it's just I can show a picture on the screen too, but it looks really big. Of course, I got a big size, but it has a tie back here. Okay, it's better than I expected. So I'm actually kind of excited about it. So anyway, I got a long gauze dress. And so that was one of my items I got in category 1. The other one I just have a hard time passing on big, like beach type totes. And I thought this one was so cute with the straw and the vinyl here. This is from Show Me Your Moo Moo. And I believe this one was valued at $68. Plus they are giving you a $20 off at showmeyourmoo.com. So I'll have to go check out that site. I just forgot I was on a spending freeze. I don't know. I told my husband I'm going to go on a spending freeze for like a month or two anyway. So I don't know if I can do that, but they offer 20% off. So there it is in the inside. It's just got the cute little white and tan stripes. It's got a big pocket in here. Anyway, it feels pretty good. So it's cute. So anyway, there's the tote. Very much me. I have way too many totes, but oh well. This is really cute, and I thought it was good for the value. So I got the gauze dress and the tote. Hey, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm not going to Hawaii till November, but I'm ready. Okay. So in category 2, I'm going to show you the pictures. And for category 2, I picked up the First Aid Beauty. This is like a body oil lotion. You put this on right after you get out of the shower when you're just still a little bit damp or whatever. It's supposed to help with dryness, and right now I have a real big problem with dryness. So I'm kind of excited to try this. I think I'm just gonna do it right after I dry off in the shower. Just put it all over and see how that works. So I'm excited. It does feels like an oil. It's not really a lotion, but I'm curious to see how it will go in. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely kind of an oil. Doesn't feel bad on the skin though. Anyway, so yeah, I'm excited to use this. So that was the first thing I got. The second thing I got was this. So this is just a metal box. I got a salad bowl like this. They had it at one time, and I really liked it. So this one it doesn't have a huge value, but they call it the Swell Bento Box. It's $35 value. You open it up. It's pink though, and I was thinking I'm gonna start making my husband's. Okay, so this moves. I'm gonna start making his lunches, but I thought this would be good for his lunches because he just likes a sandwich and some veggies and or a little salad or whatever. Anyway, I just thought this might be good, but I don't know if he'll go for it with the pink. Anyway, I'm looking for kind of a cool lunch bag for him. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Anyway, so that's the first. Okay, so those are the two things from category 2. Now we're going to go to category 3. And I'll put the pictures up on the screen here. And in category 3, I got the... okay, I just got 2, and I'm looking for one. Oh, here it is. This is a depuffing mask. I was just curious to try it. I don't know. I don't like the wet masks really on my face, but I thought I would like this one. This one you just put, I think you can do it hot or cold. So that's what it looks like. You just it has little beads in it, and you just get it cold, put it over your face. It's supposed to help depuff or whatever. And I'm kind of excited about it, actually. I'm kind of excited to try this. So that was the first thing I got. And the value on that is $60 for the mask. And then I got, this was kind of, I debated at first. I thought, no, that's kind of dumb. But I like to have different sunglasses. This is for my car, actually, because you can put 3 pair of sunglasses in here. Keep them nice. So I just thought this would be good for my car. So it's just a sunglass holder and something different. Sometimes I like to pick up different things from there. So it has a little, you know, you can hang it or whatever too if you want. So anyway, that's my second item in category 2 or 3, excuse me. And then we're going to go to category 4, and here's the pictures for category 4. And I got 3 things in category 4. Okay, so I got the eyeliner, I got the inklet, and I also got the under eye roller, the kind of a like a concealer. It has serum in it, but it helps with your under eyes. And I was really excited about that one, but I didn't get it. Now I did get this liner from this is from Thrive Beauty, and I love their stuff. I've used their eyeliner and really like it, so I picked that up. I actually just been on an eyeliner hunt, and I found a couple other really good ones that I like. What I've been using actually is the Huda Beauty. I can't say enough about it, and I studied it out, and that seems to be one of the most popular ones. But anyway, that's what I'm wearing. I use it in my waterlines, but this one is supposedly will be just as good. So anyway, I'm excited about that. And then the anklet, I'm also excited about. Now, I did get an anklet probably last year, and it didn't, I'm trying to think. I wore it like every day, and I wore it in the shower and everything, kept it on, but it didn't last real long. I think it was in November, December that it had it. So anyway, it gave me several good months, but this comes in a really nice little packet. I love this little packaging, just kind of a little suede, and this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I love the little the hanger thing. Anyway, so this is going right on my ankle, and I'm going to be wearing that for summer, so I'm kind of excited about that. And I'm really bummed they don't have the other product. Oh wait, maybe this is it. Okay, yeah, it's called the Green Tea Caffeine Bright Eye Serum, and it's just, okay, it looks like this. There's the box, and it's just, see how it has the roller there? So you just roll it under the eyes. So I'm excited to try this. So anyway, I love cool rollers under my eyes anyway, so that's kind of fun. Rare Beauty just came out with a concealer that has the roller too, and it's a colored concealer, but I like that. It feels good. So anyway, that's category 5. So category 4, I mean. So now category 5, I'm going to put the pictures up. And I got 2 things in category 5 also. Okay, so the first thing I got in category 5 is this visor. I don't know, it was like I almost couldn't resist it. Because I have lupus, I'm not supposed to get a lot of direct sunlight, so this helps. So, and I thought it was a cute little straw. It's kind of, okay, it has a band inside that should keep it from being, but the straw feels kind of, so it's not very cute on me, but there we go. So there's the straw hat. And then the second thing I got, because I really like this, I actually just bought a Kosas. This is a Kosas concealer, and I wanted to get the regular colors concealer, but I got the pink one, the pink highlight eye brightener. And so this is just the more regular concealer. I hope I got the right color. And let's see if I can open this box. So this is just a small one, but I still felt it was cheaper than what I could get like from Sephora or something. But I don't know. How much did I pay for extra for it? I don't know. It says it has a $16 value, and I think I paid $10 extra for this. So anyway, it looks like a pretty light color. I think I got 4 though, which, okay, so there it is. Looks good for me, and I like a little bit lighter color anyway, so it can brighten a little bit. So there's that. So that's number 5. And number 6, I got 2 things, and here was my choices. And I chose not 1, but 2 of the Olaplex dry shampoos. I've been looking for really good shampoos. I've heard great things about this, so hopefully I'm going to like it enough to want another one. But I felt like to get an extra one, it was a good deal, so I just picked up 2. So now I have a backup. So I'm going to start using this right away again too. I just kind of, I'm down on my my dry shampoos right now. So, and my hair's been really dry with some of them. So I'm hoping that this will kind of help not make it so dry, you know. We'll see. So I think I've been using the wrong dry shampoos. But anyway, so that's my category 6 and final. And then I have a few more things in here, and I don't remember buying this many things. I just got a couple things from the shop. I have a just a subscription for this. This is the Beekman. It's the 1800. It's not showing. Okay, it's the Beekman 1802 Apricot Honey Tea Lip Balm. So it's just a lip balm. It's in a really cute container here, and I think that it would be even make a fun gift, but it's just kind of fun. So there's that. That was $3. And then I also got, I don't always do this, but because I don't really use nail polish that much, but I thought this color really stood out. I'm hoping, okay, I love it. So it's very pink, but I liked it. So I went ahead and got this nail polish. I think this was $6, and I love the color. So it's very me. So anyway, there's that. And then I got from Glamnetic, I got the 3-in-1 brow wand. This is in blonde, so I hope it's dark enough. If I want more naturals. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the, here, I like it. It's very, looks very like thin and sharp. Like I like to give good flicks, you know, on your eyebrows. And then probably just an eye. It says 3-in-1, so I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so here's a brush with, anyway, a gel brush. And what's the third thing it does? Oh, okay, there we go. So it just has a brow brush too. So anyway, I really like that. I'm excited about that. That was $6 also, and I'm always looking for good things for my brows. I think that's going to be something I like, so that's exciting. And then I got another eyeliner, and this is, I think it's a colored eyeliner, and I kind of wanted to try it. This was, well, it was $5.50, and it's Julep, which I really like the brand Julep. And so so it's just kind of a lighter color. Kind of just blends right into my skin. I can't really see it, so I don't know what it'll do. There, you can maybe see it better. There we go. So it's just kind of a lighter color. Anyway, so that's the last thing. So I only got 3 little things from the shop. I just got, but I'm excited about this eyeliner. So I try to keep my shopping at a minimum, because usually I go really, really crazy at FabFitFun. But I did get extra items, but I feel like buying add-ons, it's worth the money because you can get high value items for just a set price in each category. So I think that's kind of cool. So anyway, I'm excited. I wish I could say what my favorite thing is, but I don't know. I'm kind of really digging the dress and the coat from category 1. I think that's pretty cool. But lots of fun stuff. So I'm excited to try them all. And let me know what you think in the comments. Okay. And I do appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. And I will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.